Max Your Journey Tribe RV community, welcome back. Today we're going to be touring one of Coreyville Jellystone's tiny homes or their cabins, whatever you want to call it. You decide if you want to stay here. Let's see. So you walk into the main door here. You have your pull out, your bed here, your pull out couch, a full nice fridge. I love the woodwork as well as the floor here. Full stove to cook on, microwave, tons of storage, and it does come with several utensils. Now if you move over here, little sitting area, TV, so if you're sitting here you can take everything in, stairs to your loft area, bathroom, extra bedroom. Wait until you see both of these areas. This is your master. So yes, you have a little area here as well as a little closet here. TV, master bedroom, opens up to the living room. Now let's go check out the bathroom. As you go in here, got a full bath, shower, toilet, sink, window, great little area, and a vent up above. Let's close that up. Now this right here, this is awesome. This loft, check it out. Let's go. You come up here, you got room for another kid, and another kid, possibly a few adults. Depends on who's willing to take the stairs. And then, so you have the master, you got 2 sleeping there, you got the pull-out couch, maybe 2 there, you got 3 up above, and then you come in here to the guest room, and you got more bed space, guys. What a great space. Let me know down in the comments, would you stay at this cottage? Would you stay at this cabin? Let's go. And hit subscribe to Max Your Journey.